How to change language on Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change the language or switch to another one. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. Here, you'll be able to see an option called language. So scroll down. So here it is, Zangi languages. Tap on it. So this is the section where you can choose the language. So here are only limited languages that are available. Now you can select the one that you want to change into. Here I am selecting Chinese. So it will take some time, and as you can see, it has been completely changed. Now if you go back, now even your settings and even your home pages are changed. So this is the way how we change language in Zangi. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.